tries a perfect morning routine. Didn't scream. That's already growth. No phone. Just stare at the ceiling. Exist. Breathe. Too much. Open window. Air smells like stress. Close window. Drink water. Body. What is this? Stomach. I wanted coffee. Now you've made it worse. Meditation time. Thoughts. Taxes. Crumbling economy. Did I say something weird in 2017? Affirmations. I am strong. I am focused. I am lying. Check phone. 1 hour of productivity later. I now know how lobsters pee. Morning routine. Complete. I am enlightened. And deeply confused. Send help or snacks.